It's a 2018 Cadillac ATS sedan. With its masterful blend of power, handling, and luxury, this ATS sedan was built for the enthusiastic driver. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, front heated leather bucket seats, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, active grille shutters, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, sport suspension, Cadillac Q external memory control, dual zone climate control, rear wheel drive, ultrasonic park assist, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. The truth about cars finds interior styling and handling are clear strengths. If we had to choose from among the cars that are actually available in the segment, this would be the one. For over 100 years, Cadillac has dared to drive the world forward. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Call us today at 754-220-1690.